Greetings, adventurers. We're here in Maryland, and we're going to be going to the highest point in Maryland. Alright, so this high point is, you park right off the side of the highway. There's just like a little pull-off. It's like enough room for one or two cars. No official parking lot or anything like that. Then there's this little trail, a little bit of a trail to hike up to the top. It was a little difficult finding here. Again, Google Maps took me to a private drive that had a sign that said no access to the high point. But it was kind of weird because Google Maps took me down that direction, and I drove all the way down this dirt road until almost the very end, when I was almost there, when they had a sign that said no access. I was like, why didn't they put that sign at the beginning of that road? Anyway, we're here now. We're hiking up. We're gonna get there. So there is kind of a little road here. That does go onto the highway, but I was kind of iffy about taking it. I didn't know if we're supposed to be driving up here or what, so but it did seem okay. It wasn't like super rocky, but you would have to stop there because there's big potholes and stuff, obstacles here. And here we got a sign for the high point. And marker number 3. So there's stone markers. In the last video we went and saw the stone marker that marked the point where Maryland, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia came together. That stone marker is just the border between West Virginia and Maryland, I believe. Because this high point is pretty much right on the border. Well, maybe 100 feet. 100 feet to the west is West Virginia. So I was just looking at the map because it's a lot farther than I thought it was. It's only a mile. But I thought it was just a little short hike, but it's a mile out, a mile down. And also, we're in West Virginia this whole time. We're gonna cross the border just before the high point. So most of this hike is all in West Virginia. Just the very end, we're going to cross the border. Whew. Misty mountains. number 15, 3,360 feet. Highest point in Maryland. Woohoo! This high point is kind of unique because it's named Hoye Crest. And for those of you who don't know, my last name is Hoye, spelled the same way, H-O-Y-E. And it's very rare that I've met anyone that has that same name. It's not a very common last name. Hoye Crest. High point number 15. Alright, so the rest of the stuff up here, we got a picnic table. Regular old picnic table. We got the classic High Pointers Foundation bench with the official tag on it, or whatever you call it, emblem. And we got the good old registry that is open on the other side. Alright. Oh look, someone left their dirty sock in here. Awesome. Alright, well I'm going to figure this mess out and sign this thing. .315 was the last one signed in here. March 15th, so about 3 weeks ago. There we go. Got one from today. And 2 yesterday. Couple the day before that. Okay, looks like average about 2 people a day come up here. Awesome. Rooftops of America. I'm going to sign the registry and finish up. I'm going to go ahead and just sign this registry. So sign the registry there. It's kind of a bummer. There's no view. There's actually quite spectacular view from this high point of the mountains overlooking. There's a big valley over here and then the mountains on the other side. It's gorgeous. I've seen pictures. Although I love hiking in weather like this. When it's foggy, it's mysterious and I don't know, it's pretty cool. But you miss out on the views. Not that big of a deal, but when you've driven across the country to come see this, it's kind of a bummer. But maybe someday I'll be back. Awesome. Well, I'm going to get hiking down the mountain. High point number 15 in the bag. Awesome. Well, got some more high points coming up on this trip. Make sure you be looking out for those. Subscribe if you want to see those and hit the bell for notifications. All that good stuff. And I will see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking. Here's marker number 3. I have no information on it. It says 1910 on it, just like the other one did last week. So they must have done some kind of marking project in 1910 where they marked all the state lines.